I'm Ryan with Prudential Pest Solutions, and we're here in a basement. I'm going to show you what makes us a little bit different than other companies. Is that if we can see this house has sat vacant for a long time, and we can just see there's a bunch of spider webs, a bunch of rodent droppings. They have some old rodent control stuff here. So what we're going to do, a lot of companies, what they'll do is that they'll just come in, do a treatment, do a spray, or put some mouse bait down, and that'll be it. But what I like to know is I want to know what level of activity, because again, this house was vacant for over a year, so we don't know what level of infestation we may be dealing with. So if I use my vacuum here, my pest vacuum, and I clean up all the webs, all the insects, and all the rodent droppings, we can tell not only is it a lot cleaner for the homeowner, but we'll be able to tell what kind of activity, if any, there is moving forward. So is your pest control company going that extra mile to clean up and actually monitor for activity, or are they just coming in, spraying, and leaving? Prudential Pest Solutions is a lot different in the sense that we are not going to put that work on you to make sure that your house is pest free.